Speed reducers. Principles and applications. This video will take an in-depth look at speed reducers. This video will bring more detail on topics such as principle of speed reducers, types of speed reducers, improving efficiency and maintenance of speed reducers, and much more. Chapter 1. Understanding the principles behind speed reducers. Defining speed reducers. The process of speed reduction. Understanding gear ratios. The role of driver gear. The follower, driven gear. Exploring torque in speed reducers. Key factors to consider while choosing a speed reducer. Essential considerations for selecting speed reducers include evaluating motor torque, shaft housing geometry, operational time of the speed reducer, motor speed considerations, choosing the right speed reducer, assessing motor performance, understanding backlash in gearboxes, mounting and connection needs. Chapter 2. What are the different types of speed reducers? Cyclo-reducers. Gearbox speed reducer. Gear drives. Gear reducers. Inline gear reducers. Main gear types utilized in inline gear reducers. Planetary gearbox. Herringbone gears. Spur gears. Helical gears. Right-angle gearboxes. Key right-angle gearbox types. Worm gear reducers. Bevel gear reducers. Magnetic speed reducers. Hypoid speed reducers. Speed reducer axis types. Orthogonal axis. Skew axis. Parallel axis. Chapter 3. How do efficiency and maintenance factors impact the performance of speed reducers? Improving efficiency of speed reducers. Consider the following strategies to boost the effectiveness of speed reducers. Correcting mechanical noise levels. Torque measurement. Electricity consumption. Self-lubricated plain bearings. Use of vibration dampening components. Maintenance of speed reducers. The following are some key steps for maintaining gear reducers. Gear reducer overheating. Lubrication of the gears. Reducer vibration or noise. Contamination is reduced. Storing gear reducers. Conclusion. please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right speed reducer manufacturer for your needs.